Hello everyone, it's day 7 and today we're going to do a bit of self-massage because we've been doing quite a lot of hard work in the past days, so it's time for a little bit of recharge. Before we start, just one practical thing. If you would like to interact live with me and my colleague Kara Chrysler, there's new webinars coming up next week and the week after. I'll put a link here, and also if you're watching this video at a later point, this link will go to all current webinars that we have, where you can interact live with us, ask us questions, practice with us. So go check that out if you're interested. And so today I'm going to do a demonstration that you can follow. You can also close your eyes and just follow my voice. We're going to go from the head to the toes because I prefer personally not to first massage my feet and then massage the face, or just for hygiene. I'm going to give very loose instructions. This massage is not about taking away knots or anything like that. It's just for self-connection, just for pleasure, just for connection with the body, just for relaxation. So do whatever feels comfortable. You can use your hands just with strokes, with pinches, no, squeezes, not pinches, squeezes. And you can use your knuckles as well. You can imitate me or just do whatever feels comfortable for you. Make sure you have comfortable clothes, a comfortable space. You can do this in bed before sleep, but also just before your day starts, maybe after a shower can be nice. Whatever works for you. You can do it with oil or without. I'm going to show just with clothes on without oil, just to keep it as simple as possible. And so you won't need anything else today. So get ready and we'll get started. Lift your hands and put one on your forehead and one on the back of your head. Press slightly, whatever feels comfortable. Try to relax your arms as much as you can. And then we're going to breathe in and out 3 times. So breathe in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Last time, in and out. Let go of your hands. Feel for a second. And use your hands to stroke from the middle of your forehead to your temples. Go as slowly as you can. Give whatever pressure is comfortable. One last time. And then we move to the ears, and you're going to softly squeeze the ears, starting from the top and going down until you're at the earlobe. And you're going to slightly tuck the earlobe, slightly pull it. Also here, do whatever feels comfortable. We're going to do that a couple of times. Don't forget to breathe deeply. One last time. Squeezing the ears. Many nerve endings here, so it's like giving yourself a full body massage in a way when you're doing that. Very good for the nervous system. Stroke your cheeks. Start from next to your nose, going to the ears, and then down the neck. From the cheeks to the ears, and then down the neck again. Just do this a couple times. And you can use your knuckles to work the neck a little bit more. From right under the ears to the top of your shoulders. And then use your left arm to massage the right shoulder and neck, wherever you can reach. And just feel for a second how that shoulder feels different from the other one. And then you go with your right hand to your left shoulder. Play with what is comfortable for you. Don't forget to breathe. And then just feel for a second again. And then reach with your hands to the top of your back, your upper back. See what you can reach there. It was not so comfortable for me, so I moved to the lower back pretty quickly, but you can massage there too. I wouldn't recommend massaging on top of the spine, you know, where really the spine itself is, but right next to it is very, very pleasant. If you do the lower back, you might want to go in your pants, because otherwise you're probably massaging on top of the belt, so to speak. That might not be very comfortable, so it's good if you're wearing easy access easy access pants. And start with your arms. Squeeze your upper arms. Often we have quite a bit of tension there. And work your way back to the lower arms, the forearms. And then when you end up at the hands, it can be nice to pull each finger. It's kind of like that joke, you know, from kids. But if you pull each finger, there's also a lot of nerve endings there, so it's going to be very relaxing. Go to the other arm, upper arm. Squeezes. Forearm. And same thing with the hand. Pull each finger. You can really use quite a bit of force there, depending on what's comfortable, of course, but you can carefully try with that. Then you can fold the hands and do a little, I don't know what this is called actually, but just look at the screen. It's good for the wrists. When you use them for massage, it's good as a little break. We're now going to move to the feet, and I want to recommend to sit up as straight as you can while you do that, instead of bending forward, so you have a good posture. And you just want to start kneading. I did it very loosely, just kneading the toes, feeling each toe separately. And I'm working my way on the soles of the feet. Lots of nerve endings here, so it can be very helpful to massage to massage there. So around the ankle a little bit, top of the feet. Now you might want to pull the toes in the same way that you did with the fingers. So pull each toe separately. And put that leg down and take the other foot, and we're doing the same thing. Just first massaging each toe a bit. Remember to breathe deeply. Soles of the feet. And pulling each toe. I was talking to my dog here. It's not my dog actually, I'm watching her. And then just sit and feel for a second. Last part we're going to do is squeezing the calves, massaging the calves, go up. And on your upper legs you can really put a bit of pressure, you can put your weight on them. Just as you can see, you can put quite a bit of weight if you like. Massaging the left calf. And putting a bit of weight. Massage the side of your hips a little bit. Just sit for a moment. See how your body feels right now. There's a little bonus that I wanted to save for last because I wasn't sure what was going to happen to my hair, but if you want to do a little scalp massage, if you don't mind messing up your hair, it's nice to move in with your fingers and just move the skin rather than going around in the hair, if you know what I mean. Just starting on top of your head, going a bit to the sides, above your ear, going to the top of your head, a little bit more on the back. And going to the hair where it's above the neck, a bit lower. And now we're actually done. So just sit for a moment and feel your body. So I'm very curious to hear how this was for you. Please let me know. If you want to support the channel, give this video a like. That's always very helpful to spread the video to more people. And I will see you again tomorrow, sending you lots of love. Oh, and if you want to join these live webinars that we have, I'll put the link above one more time. Hopefully see you there.